welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registration in Cyprus. Incorporation in Cyprus. Basically, the incorporation procedure in Cyprus is same for all business entities having a simple and straightforward structure. Cyprus is considered as European business hub as it provides major benefits to the foreign investors such as low tax haven, a taxable economy and a welcoming territory for any type of investments. In Cyprus, company incorporation procedure consists drafting of the article of association and other required documents such as signatures, passport copies, forms, etc. It may also be required from the new owners to go to a local public notary and to find an office for their company and set up a bank account, and Cypriot accountant may also be required. Benefits of incorporation in Cyprus. The procedure is same for all business having a simple and straightforward structure. It is a low tax haven. It is one of the most stable economies in the world. It has a welcoming territory for any type of investments, be it sea or maritime investment or land investment or any other type of investment. Types of companies. In Cyprus, company can either be public or private. It depends upon the types of shares and the size of the company. Both of these companies can be established by one or more shareholders. For private limited companies, there is no requirement of minimum initial capital. Whereas in case of public limited company, there is a requirement of at least €15,000. Branch, subsidiary or representative office can either be formed separately from the parent company or as an extension of it. Requirements of each structure have to be met by the founders. Private company limited by shares. In Cyprus, private limited by share is the common type of company founded by one or more partners, but up to 50. The basic requirement is that company must have a registered office in Cyprus and also a local company secretary. Under this, there is no requirement of minimum capital. Shareholders subscribe shares which can be monetary or non-monetary given nominal value and cannot be transferred. Members of this type of company shall be liable for the company's debt and obligations only to the extent of the nominal value of their shares. Public company limited by shares. Function of a public company limited by shares are as same as a private company limited by shares except the fact that shares are freely transferable. Under this, there is no restriction regarding the maximum number of partners. There is a requirement of minimum share capital of €15,000. Procedure for incorporation. In Cyprus, company registration procedure can be performed by an authorized company representative appointed by power of attorney. There is requirement for Cypriot private companies limited by shares to have a registered office in Cyprus, and it is managed by a management board. However, it may be necessary to come in person when the bank account is opened in order to sign papers and provide the registration certificate with the identification documents of the managers. VAT registration is mandatory but only for those companies which perform activities that are subject to the value-added tax such as trading. After this, new company has to hire employees. Conclusion. Therefore, Cyprus can be called a great venture for those who wish to invest in European continent. It is a country that offers you a versatile landmass for all types of business and way to do business without too much paperwork. Thank you.